what's going up, guys? My name is Pranjal. Today, oh yes guys, today welcome back to the Box Gaming Production channel, the channel dedicated to all the game devs and my devlogs that I'm going to do of my own game, and that is Cube Run 2.0. If you don't know, this is the sequel of my first game. If you want to play the prequel of this game, that is in the link below, and Discord server. My Discord servers are also linked down below. Make sure to join for all the awesome game dev topics. So guys, today's topic is about yes guys, so today's topic is about camera switching. I had just deleted the camera. Okay, you can do F. Now reset. So guys, as you can see, there is a camera in my scene right now. Let me add a 3D object, a cube, I guess. Reset the transform. I will be keeping it over here. So in the game view, if we dock it over here, we can see it like this. Clearly we can see. Let me make it a little bit small. And now this will be our cam 1. Now let's duplicate it and we will be making cam 2. So guys, that how it is going to be like that. This is the object and this is one camera. One is like that and one can be seen from upside. Let me show you. In a moment I will show you, and Q's position is should be 6. So now I can do cam also 6. Then X should be 90 degree. And we should be able to see like that, but we would not see if it is correct or not. So let's add one more cube and let's see cam 1. Yes, no, I want to see the cam 1. Let me toggle off cam 2. Yes, now as you guys can see, let me do it up more up, and let us create one material for that, for our both cubes, cube 1, and let me duplicate it to cube 2. So let us cube 1 and cube 1. So cube 2 will be having a little bit of yellowish shader, and cube 1 will be having a greenish shader. Yeah, let me add a light, yes, directional light. And now as you can see, we are able to do that and we can see properly now. Cam 1 and cam 2, as you can see guys, no sorry, cube, and let me create an empty for our cubes. You can do it anyway however you want. I'm doing this just so it looks more organized and it does not feel very much bad. Yes, cam 1, cam 2, directional light. So now it is all done, and we will be switching from cam 1 to the cam 2. Yes, see, cam 2 is like that. Now we enable cam 1 and disable cam 2. So this is how they both will be looking like. Cam 2 needs to be adjusted. Let me go a bit better. Yes, done. So guys, now we will be creating the script for it. And yes, let me create a C# script. Name it camera switcher. And now we will be creating an empty, name it like switch manager. Okay, it does not matter the name. Adds camera switcher onto this component, onto that switch manager. So guys, now we have, oh shit. So now what I want you to do, 1 minute guys, I have little problem. Yes, now it's completely okay. So guys, now first of all, we obviously need to tell or create a reference to our camera. So we can type public camera and then cam1 and just do like this. Just copy this. I don't suggest you to copy, you should write so you can get a nice practice of copying and doing like that. Now we would set cam1 dot set not set but dot enabled is equal to true because that's our main camera, and then cam2 dot set not set enabled is equal to false. So guys, now that's done. And so what it will be doing is the cam1, which is our first camera, will be started from the beginning, and cam2 will be not enabled. We cannot see like that. Now we are going to create an if statement in which if we press any key of the or the user presses any key, like take it suppose like C. If I press on C, then it should change the camera 1 to cam 2, or if it's on cam 2 then on cam 1, like that interchanging it should be doing. So for that we need to write input dot get key down, then key code dot C. Yes, that's what I wanted to write, key code dot C, and let me do this. And in here we are going to specify one thing. If cam1 is enabled, then just means unenable it. Okay, if it is enabled, then we would be high. Yes, I got it. If we enable it, then we can disable it. And if the cam2 dot enabled is not there, then we will do vice versa of what it is currently. So let me write cam1 dot enabled is equal to exclamation mark cam1 dot enabled. So guys, what this line sorry, I just messed it. Cam1 and this is cam1. So guys, sorry, this activate windows comes. So guys, what I have done right now is like that. If cam1 is enabled, do the opposite of it. Whatever the situation of or whatever is the dot enabled value is, do opposite of that. Yes. So let's now do it again, same with the cam2. So guys, this is my first tutorial, so that is I am a little bit hesitating, but don't worry. So guys, now we have saved it. Let's move on back to the Unity and let's see how it works. Switch manager is there, and let me open it up. Switch manager, cam1 and then cam2. So guys, now we will be seeing if that works. Now we are on the cam1 guys, as you can see. Now I will switch to cam2, cam1, cam2, cam1, cam1. Yes, that works perfectly. So guys, like that you can create many more things where it is supplemental. So you can create many more other things like that. If you want, yes guys, I got a nice idea. If you want me to do a torch tutorial, make sure you write down in the comment section below, or make sure this video gets 5 likes, so I will be doing a torch tutorial as how to do or how to make a torch in 3D with the camera or player controller. Not going to make player controller, but yes, let's do it. 1 minute guys. Oh, why this happens every time. Let me do debug.log cam1.enable. Is it going to do, or is it going to give me an error? Please don't give me an error. Yeah, it does not give me. So we can see if it is enabled or it is not enabled. it is true, and let me do it. Oh, see, now it is false. Now again see, then it is again true, false, true, false, true. Like that way you can do, guys, camera switching. Make sure you like this video so I can be doing some torch tutorial, and hope I will see you in the next video. Until then, tata, bye bye, and please tell me, shall I do the vlogs of my recent game? And that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.